What's up my Shuggies, Ashley here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a full face using products from a recent haul that I did from Ulta. From foundation to liquid lipsticks and everything in between, I am going to give you this look right here. So if you're interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. Alright, so first things first, we are going to get the hair out of the way. So the first thing we're going to do is go in with foundation. I already have primed my face with my Kane & Austin mattifying primer with my SPF in it because I love this and it's a good neutral base for any foundation that I'm going to try, any makeup that I'm going to try. So that's already on my skin. For foundation, I happened to be browsing the news section and this popped up, and correct me if I'm wrong. Here we go again. My construction site at its finest. This is the Smith & Cult foundation, and I believe this is the makeup brush company, if I remember correctly. So when I saw this, I threw it right in my cart because I love their stuff and I cannot wait to try their foundation. I did a lot of research and decided on the color 200 Neutral, so hopefully this will work. So I'm going to start out with a few pumps of this on the back of my hand, 2 pumps. And I'm gonna zoom you in so we can go ahead and get started. Okay, so I've got 2 pumps of this on the back of my hand. As you can see, the texture is, I don't know, kind of in the middle. It's not really runny, but it's not super, super thick. Loving this formula. I really enjoy the foundation from Smith & Colt. The only thing that I'm not fond of is the shade, but that's my fault. I got something obviously far too light for my body. But if I adjust that, I think this will be really, really good. Keep in mind, I got the color 200 neutral, so I need to go very far medium warm instead of just a light medium warm. And that, I really, really, really do love the NYX Epic Ink Liner. That's amazing. These Kiss lashes are very nice, but keep in mind they are very natural. I feel like it's not something you could reuse a bunch, but for the price and having a good everyday natural lash, these are really, really nice. Something that I wasn't too fond of was the NYX Tinted Brow Gel. I just felt like it wasn't very opaque. It didn't really do a lot. I want either some highlight or some texture or some wispy or something, and I just feel like it really didn't do much for the brow. I, of course, can't live without my Lash Paradise mascara and blush. I think those are two amazing things. I would say overall we did pretty well for our Ulta haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and find me on my social media. I will leave everything in the description box down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.